Welcome guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can pair these Realme Buds with your Android smartphone. So at the first you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%, and when you make it, this front indicator will turn to the green, and after that it will mean that the case of the buds and buds inside are fully charged. Next you have to remove them from the case. You can put them like that. Open the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone, enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher, and then you have to scroll down and just take a look on available devices list. So just be patient and let's wait a little bit. As you can see, after a few seconds they appear on the list. So all you have to do is simply click on them once and then tap on this pair button. As you can see right now we are successfully connected, and that's how you can make it. So just remember to charge the case and of course earbuds inside. To make it, of course, you have to remove this foil from this magnetic part, and when this green indicator will be available, it means that you can just make this pairing request for your earbuds. That's all. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.